General class, a very good morning. Well, children, in the previous class, we have studied about a girl called Omana, and this lesson is about Omana's journey. So last we have studied that how Omana and her friend Radha, they have planned out a trip to Kerala. They were going together, and one mishap happened 2 days before their journey. Radha, she fell down from her bicycle and she got fractured her right leg, and doctor suggested Radha that she cannot move her legs for 4 weeks. So just because of that, Radha has to cancel her trip. Now cause of that, both the friends, they were very much upset. Now Radha's mother, her amma, she gave an idea to Omana that she can make a note of her journey, how she has spent her journey to Kerala. And Omana, she liked this idea, and she decided that she going to maintain the note. She's going to write a diary about her journey to Kerala. And now we have studied from the Umana's diary that how she reached the platform, and how she boarded in the train. There she find that in the railway station there was so much confusions. Then on the entrance of the train there was so much confusion among the passengers, how they were trying to board their luggages. And finally Omana and her family members, they got themselves settled in the train bogie. They got their seat. Then there came a ticket checker who checked their tickets. Then she find that in the opposite seat there are family who have two children, and they are also of the same age of Omana and her sister Oni. So and she wrote these stuffs in her diary. And when her mother, after some time, her mother called her for having her meal, खाना खाने के लिए बुलाया, and तब she stopped writing. Right till there we have it studied. Now today we are going to continue from here. So this is Omana's journey. The next, now after the lunch some people slept, but Omana, she was not feeling sleepy, so she was awakened, and she was continuously looking outside the window, and she saw many fields. वो उसको नींद नहीं आ रही थी तो वो सोई नहीं, और वो कंटिन्यूसली विंडो के बाहर शी वॉज लुकिंग. एंड उसने क्या देखा, बहुत सी ब्राउन फील्ड्स देखी जो कि ड्राई थी. ना समटाइम सम विलेजेस ऑल्सो पास्ड अवे. उसने देखा कि कुछ विलेजेस भी पास हुए थे, बट दे सीम्ड टू हर एज इफ दे आर फ्लाइंग बाय. उसको लग रहा था कि जैसे सब चीज़ें उड़ रही हैं. नाउ व्हाई दिस हैपन्स? सो दिस हैपन्स बिकॉज व्हेन द ट्रेन इट मूव्स इन अ वेरी हाई speed, then the things outside it seems be running in the opposite direction. जब ट्रेन बहुत ही स्पीड में चल रही होती है तो जो भी चीज़ें बाहर हमको देखते हैं वो सब ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में रन करती हुई हम लोग को दिखाई पड़ती है. ना अर्लियर इट वाज रियली हॉट, पहले बहुत ही गर्म सा हो रहा था, बट सिंस नाउ द ट्रेन इज़ मूविंग इन स्पीड एंड इट्स ऑल्सो टाइम इवनिंग टाइम, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर इज़ सम ब्रीज, कुछ हवाएं चल रही थी तो उससे वेदर अब थोड़ा ठीक हो गया था. नाउ द सन इज स्लोली सेटिंग. नाउ सिंस एट द इवनिंग टाइम slowly the sun is about to get set, or sky it has become orange. Generally during the evening time when the sun sets, sky orange color का हो जाता है. But Omana, she had never seen like this. उसने कभी भी ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं देखी थी when she was in अहमदाबाद. So because of that she was very happy to see. उसे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था देख करके. Now when she has just passed a station called वलसाद. Now वलसाद एक स्टेशन था जो कि ओमाना ने अभी कुछ देर पहले पास किया था. So the train stopped for only 2 minutes. वहाँ पे केवल 2 minutes के लिए ही ट्रेन स्टॉप करी थी. but even for the short time there was so much noise on the railway platform. Now all the hawkers, to sell their things, they were keep on shouting. Now what Umana, she heard noises like chai garam chai. Then there was one man calling vatata vada. Then there were the other man who was saying puri shak. Then there was a man who's saying doodh thanda doodh. So like this, the people on the platform, they were selling their stuffs, and people were selling as well as there were the people who were buying food on the platform. So then the Omana's parents, they have also bought some bananas and chikus, but they have bought through the window itself. वो लोग नीचे प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके उन लोगों ने नहीं परचेज किया था बनाना और चीकू, उन लोगों ने विंडो से ही ले लिया था. Now during her journey she had made some friends. उसने कुछ friends भी बना लिए थे, and their name was Sunil and Anne. उनका क्या नाम था? Sunil and Anne. Now they were going to कोझिकोड, और वो अपनी ग्रैंड मदर के हाउस जा रहे थे. नाउ सुनील, ही गेव सम स्टोरी बुक्स टू ओमाना so that she can read the storybooks. She was very happy. Then a little while ago, कुछ देर पहले जो ओमाना, she went to brush her teeth. वो अपने teeth ब्रश करने के लिए गई, बट देयर वॉज नो वाटर इन द बाथरूम. लेकिन बाथरूम में कोई वाटर ही नहीं था. समबडी सेड इन द बोगी दैट इट विल गेट फिल्ड इन द नेक्स्ट बिग स्टेशन. वाटर जो है ट्रेन में कैसे फिल होएगा? नेक्स्ट बिग स्टेशन जब आएगा तब वाटर फिल हो जाएगा. नाउ why this happened that there was no water in the bathroom? Because it might be that from where the train has started there or in the previous station, water has not been properly filled in the train, or there can be wastage of water too. So because of that, the water in the train pipes has been finished. Now there are number of peoples we see at the railway station. So today we are going to study about them. Now the first one is coolie. The first one is coolie. Now who are coolies? Coolies, also called porters, they help the passengers to carry their luggages. वो passengers का help करते हैं कि वो उनका luggages carry कर सके. Now the second one is guard. Now guard, he is the in charge of the train signals that trains to start and watches it. ये guard क्या करता है? जब ट्रेन चलने वाली होती है तो उसका सिग्नल देता है, तभी ट्रेन चलती है, and he watches that. Now the third one is driver. No, driver, he controls and runs the train on time. The fourth one is ticket checker. Now who's the ticket checker? Ticket checker is the person who checks the tickets of the passengers and matches them with the seats. वो tickets check करते हैं और उनकी जो भी seats होती है उससे match करते हैं. The next one is railway police. Now railway police, he provides the security to the railway station train and the passengers traveling by the train. जो भी हमारे पैसेंजर्स होते हैं जो कि ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं ट्रेन को, उनको सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करता है. प्लस इट प्रोवाइड्स अ सिक्योरिटी टू द रेलवे स्टेशन train. Then the next one is safai karmachari or the sweeper. Now their duty is to clean the platform and the train. इनकी क्या ड्यूटी होती है? They cleans the platform and the train. Then last one is ticket seller. Now from the name you all can get that this is the person who sells tickets to the passenger. Now hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.